What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to create your own wish list in Amazon and then add items to it as well. So first things first, you want to create your own wish list. You want to go to the top right up here on hello and then whatever your name is, and then you can have account and lists underneath. And here is where it shows the current wish lists that you have. So I only have one. I have my personal wish list, and I'm going to create a new one for the sake of this video, and it should show up right underneath after. So I'm going to create this, click this, and here is where I'm able to enter the name for it. So let's do a gaming wish list. Let's say I want to create a gaming setup and I just want to make a wish list for it. I don't want to buy the items just yet. So I'm going to do create list. You can add ideas to the list. So if you click add idea, you can save an idea, shop for it later. If you want to type in gaming desk, and then once you have that saved, for example, add to list, add it as an idea, and now you can click top search results and it'll search everything under gaming desk. Now if you want to add some of these gaming desks to your wish list, you can just simply click on it. Let's say, oh wow, I really like this one. All I have to do is scroll down and then click add to wish list. So that added it to the wrong wish list there. I added it to my default one. Basically click on the arrow here, and this is the one I want to go to. So click on gaming wish list, and then one item added to gaming wish list. So let's say I want a chair now. I'm going to click on this chair. Same thing. The option for add to wish list is down here. So just go to gaming wish list again, and then now you can see that there's a few items added to it once you click it. And here we go. So we have a gaming chair and the gaming desk so far. So this is my wish list, and now we have the idea still, so I can still click here and search for it. So now that I have my desk, I don't need this anymore. I'm going to click remove. And yeah, so if you want to see your wish list, you can also now, if you hover over this, you can see your new wish list appears on the bottom part here. And that's how I recommend getting to it. Just go on this top part here and then click on gaming wish list. Brings you right to where you need to go. So those are the basics. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.